Hello guys, today I've got the XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro and I'm going to show you how to fix the slow charging issue. To fix this issue, the first thing that I would recommend to you is to use the 67 watts XIAOMI official adapter. If it still doesn't work for you, check the USB Type-C cable condition. If it's in the wrong condition, you need to change the cable. The best is the official one that the XIAOMI gives you. If you, for example, lost it or damaged it, you need to buy a new one that has the power delivery certification and the maximum wattage of delivery of minimum 60, 70, maybe 80 watts or even more, but he would have only 67 watts. Apart from that, what I do recommend doing is to check for the cable, not cable, the power outlet. Try to replace the power outlets, change them, and if it does work for you, that's nice. But if it doesn't, you need to contact the device support. As you can see, apart from these all things, in the software you have one thing. In the settings, battery protection, here they have charging protection. Disable smart charging or battery protection, select charge fully. And goodbye, have a nice day.